So it's time to transplant the sunflower, create redundancy, the one known as CR.
So this is the spot that I put the leaves over from the fall from the previous season, and I dig a hole here.
You guys are gonna dig this video, just saying.
Okay, I got the hole dug. I've added just a pinch of compost at the bottom, loosened the bottom a little, so it's kind of more gradual, the transition. So hopefully the roots will grow into this soil. The roots at the bottom of the container here. So it's not root bound, although it's starting to swirl around. Now what I'm gonna do here is remove my mulch at the top first. Let's get this into the ground here.
CR's rooting for ya.
There we go. Let's put this into the ground here. Very, very slowly. Now these gaps I have, I'm just gonna backfill it. Some of this dirt from when I was digging out the hole. Fill it in. Move some of this grass out of the way here. Put some of this dirt back around here. It's been several weeks since the previous update of this. Now it's time to put the mulch around here. Add some more grass in here for some mulch. Keep the moisture into the ground. Protect the soil like a suit of armor. Water this in. You're gonna do so awesome, little sunflower. I know you can. So believe in you.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.